He was wearing sandals.
Okay, unless you're a girl or like Jesus, you should not be wearing sandals.
No, we shouldn't.
Hey, Wendy. Does your dad have aftershave?
Why do you need aftershave for him? Where are you going?
I'm going to a club. I got a fake ID.
Okay, McLovin. I have 2 questions for you. One, did you tell Mom?
Hell no. She thinks I'm spending the night at Alex's house.
And 2, did you get me a fake ID also?
Michelle, they're $125.
What?
So, I can't go.
Well, no. You wouldn't be able to get in.
Mom!
What are you doing?
I'm gonna tell Mom, because if I can't go, then you can't go either.
Damn, Mitch, if you can't drink from the well, you gotta piss in it?
That's me. Love me or hate me.
Well, I hate to be the voice of reason all the time, but I don't think either of you should go.
You guys don't get it. I gotta go. I'm tired of being the kid who follows all the rules, does the right thing, gets good grades.
Dude, you get C's.
The point is, I'm gonna do something a little crazy for the first time in my life. Who knows? I might even hook up with someone tonight.
That would happen.
Yeah, right. No, whatever. Forget you guys. I'm gonna go inside, go to the bathroom, take the Browns to the Super Bowl,
Ew.
and then I'm gonna change in my party clothes.
Yeah, go. Why don't you slip into something more comfortable, like a coma?